Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block your Outlook calendar for out of office. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access your email and calendar features. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft credentials. After logging in, wait a moment for your email inbox to fully load before proceeding to the next step. Once your email has loaded, it's time to navigate to your calendar. Look at the left side of your screen where you'll find your quick access toolbar. This toolbar contains all the essential tools you need for managing your Outlook account. From the list of icons displayed, locate and click on the calendar icon. This will switch your view from the email inbox to your calendar interface, where you can manage all your appointments and availability. Now that your calendar menu has opened, you're ready to create your out-of-office block. On the top left part of your screen, you'll see a button labeled New Event. Go ahead and click on it to open a new event window. This window is where you'll configure all the details for blocking your calendar during your time away from the office. In the new event window that appears, start by setting the dates you'll be out of office. Click on the date field and select the specific dates you want to block on your calendar. Make sure to include both the start and end dates to ensure your calendar accurately reflects your entire absence period. After you've added all the necessary dates, it's time to change the status of this event. You'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Status, which is typically set to Busy by default. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional status options available in Outlook. From the list that appears, select Out of Office. This specific status is important because it clearly communicates to anyone trying to schedule a meeting with you that you're completely unavailable during this period, not just busy with other tasks. Once you've configured everything correctly, click the Save button to finalize your out-of-office block. This will immediately update your calendar and display your out-of-office status within the selected block of dates. Anyone who tries to schedule a meeting with you during this time will see that you're out of the office and unavailable. And that's it, you've successfully blocked your Outlook calendar for out of office, ensuring colleagues and clients know you're away during those dates. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.